This video guide is about removing strange and very annoying pop-ups that are coming from the website Greeandjo.online. Greeandjo.online. Some people may suddenly notice these pop-ups and they would tell you that you need to tap the allow button for some reasons. For instance, to continue your browsing or to continue watching some movie, or for some other reasons, for instance, for the purpose of age verification. But all these messages delivered by such pop-ups are totally faulty, and you should not trust their deceptive content, because the main mission of these pop-ups is to force you into subscribing to the uncontrolled push notifications. Whenever people mistakenly agree with the proposal and click on that allow button, their browser gets hijacked and immediately they will be forwarded to some other questionable content. Plus, you will see the great multitude of ads that will be displayed in the right bottom part of your Windows computer screen. So if you have clicked on allow, that's surely a mistake, but you need to fix it immediately. Go to the menu, click on settings, scroll down to privacy and security, choose site settings. In permissions, select notifications and carefully research the allow area that displays websites that are permitted to show notifications. So be sure to get rid of all such malicious sites causing troubles for your computer. After you remove all these malicious websites, the problem should be fixed. I mean, the problem related to the uncontrolled push notifications. Simply be careful and delete these malicious sites causing the troubles for your computer. And I would also recommend you to additionally examine your computer with the help of the program called Combo Cleaner. You may get its official page on the page combocleaner.com. The version is available both for Windows and Mac computers. You may simply select your preferred version. After the program is downloaded and installed, begin scanning your device to be convinced that it is free of any other threats. After you successfully download and install the software, you'll have three scan types to choose from. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. So you'll click on Start Scan button, and then you'll find the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The scanning, by the way, will take, well, at least several minutes, depending on how infected your computer is. Combo Cleaner will give you the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scan. It will show you the type of threat and the exact location of each specific threat on your computer. And by the way, you'll be able to remove each specific threat manually. However, Combo Cleaner gives you the best way to deal with such threats. You may remove them automatically by upgrading to the premium version of the application. Premium version of the software gives you the chance to use features like anti-malware, anti-ransomware, and web browsing protection. So with premium version, you will be protected from all sorts of contemporary threats, including ransomware. This way your data will be constantly protected, and you may not worry about the safety of your private information, of your important files, pictures, music, and other information you store on your computer. So consider upgrading to the premium version of Combo Cleaner to make sure your system is free of all kinds of current infections.